PC or laptop not turning on. It can feel like the end of the world when you turn on your computer and nothing happens. Fortunately, power problems do not always mean that the entire computer is damaged or that data has been lost. There are several reasons why desktop computers and laptops might not want to switch on. When you turn on your computer and nothing happens, it can seem as though everything is lost. Fortunately, power issues do not always result in total computer damage or the loss of all data. There are a number of reasons why desktop and laptop computers might not want to turn on. Solution: due to their internal batteries and external power supplies, laptops are more vulnerable to power problems than desktop computers. If a laptop's internal battery or charger is harmed in any way, in order to stop the defective equipment from doing any more harm, the majority of current laptops will automatically turn off. When it's safe to do so, you can completely shut down the system, unplug it, and then try to turn it off again after removing the battery. If this fix resolves the issue, your battery will probably need to be replaced. Whether this does not resolve the problem, try a new AC adapter both with and without the battery to see if one of those components is to blame. Power problems with PCs are relatively simple, but they can also be trickier. 99% of desktop computers will have a power button on the front of the case, and a power switch close to where the power wire comes in on the back of the case. Without turning on the power switch in the rear and pressing the button in the front, desktop computers won't turn on. The first thing you should always check when a desktop PC is having power problems is this. If this does not resolve your issue, you can carefully open your computer's case when it is turned off to check that the other computer parts are connected to your power source properly. Reseating connections and clearing the case of extra dust or dirt are both safe. However, changing or removing internal power supply connections is not advised for common users.